What's going on, YouTube? What's up, family? We are here in South Carolina. I'm sorry, Charlotte. We are in Charlotte right now. We are here for the. Let me get my glasses real quick. Let me put some lights on in here. All right, what's going on? What's going on, YouTube family? We are here in Charlotte, North Carolina. We are here at Maxwell event. It's a wholesaling event. So, I'm sure most of you guys know that's following me. I started off wholesaling when I started off in real estate. I really didn't want to start off in wholesaling, but all the videos and stuff I watch on YouTube saying that was the best way to start off in real estate. So I did wholesaling for like 4 to 6 months, made $50,000, then started buying and holding. So I'm here at this event to learn, because I'm about to relaunch my wholesaling business. So when I was wholesaling, I was by myself, one-man army, until I think January or February 2017, when my friends helped me in a different market. So I was virtual wholesaling. I did virtual wholesaling for majority of my wholesaling career or journey, whatever you want to call it. So what virtual wholesaling is, I was closing deals in a separate market that I was in. So at the time I was in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and I was closing deals in Lafayette, Ville Platte, in Baton Rouge. I was just closing deals all over while I was at work. So I was sending texts and emails and closing deals. So now what the plan is, I'm gonna relaunch my wholesaling business with the partner once we leave here. So right now it's October. We're probably gonna start fresh in November. Probably gonna go over a couple things, build some systems and stuff like that, and then relaunch the wholesaling business. So what I'll do with the wholesaling business is, since I buy rentals and leverage them with the bank, I'll start wholesaling, generating money, like 10 grand a month, I guess, to begin with. I'll start using some of that money to start paying off the loans that I have in my rentals, and start making more cash flow a month, paying down that debt. So anyway, welcome to the vlog. So you still do real estate now?
Oh yeah.
So what you do?
Ain't nobody buying any real estate at 7 o'clock in the morning. I can promise you. Yeah, and I've always been an early riser.
Yeah.
But I work primarily with investors.
So you buy and hold, or you just
The guys that I deal with buy and flip.
okay? So you just flip properties to them?
Primarily we do. We hadn't held on to any that since we started back doing this. There's so many people doing it, trying to find stuff that fits your
Criteria
is tougher than it used to be.
You have any rentals out here, or you just stick to flipping?
Haven't got any rentals. I don't know. I just don't have the stomach for the right now for the things that go along with renting a property. So I've held off. But I've got some investors that buy and hold.
I got you.
And they will, you know, the ones that I find, they'll buy if it fits their criteria. They'll buy and
Just keep it,
fix it up and keep it, rent it out. Have a management company
manage it
for them.
Yeah. That's what I'm doing with all my properties right now, putting them on property management.
it's so cheap. He says he's going to meet you here next Friday with the 45, and he told the car owner you're going to meet him here the same time Friday with 35.
It's the run. Which one's that one? I lose track of these games.
I know, right?
Yeah, he should have brought his. I got one. Oh, yeah, so you got the photography and everything.
Okay, because I'm trying to find the last name.
So mine is so right now I'm ready to the restaurant, but we're gonna do a live stream.
Let us.
Yes, we're gonna do a live stream.
I'm down.
I'm always.
I'm here. Gotta recruit. All right. Oh, that's what's up.
You get on there.
Oh, we live right now?
Yeah.
Hey, man. In real life, man, this is like one of my idols, man. Real talk, man. I'm honored to be among entrepreneurs like this, man. It's an honor. I'm excited to be here, man. Yes, sir. Great space, great knowledge, beautiful people, man. I love it.
It's nice out there. I'm in South Carolina with the team. Whoa. I know Andy. Go ahead.
Hi guys, I'm Andy. I'm just Ask Andy on Instagram. So we are in Charlotte, North Carolina at the Elite We Live 2018, and we're about to vlog.
What up? You know who this is? The broke dude. But nah, we here, man. Wholesale Elite 2018. It's a dope event. My boy O'Neal in here. Just Ask Andy in here. Just met my boy over here.
What's good, Nino?
Mr. Nino Brown.
Yep, you all
Nino
here.
Brown 92 on Instagram.
Yeah.
Just starting off, trying to make something happen, man. Here to learn, here to network, here to get this money.
What we gonna eat at though?
That's the question.
I'm looking at the.
Yeah, we gotta get
Let's
something to
see.
eat real fast.
I'm trying to look right now.
And we only got an hour now.
All right, I just got out the lift. It is super late. It's like, I think it's like 8:10, 8:11 right here. Just left the event. The event is still going on actually. They're doing Q&A, but just made it to the Airbnb. I mean, yeah, Airbnb. Nice area, as you can see. So I'm gonna head in, check in, and then I'll see y'all. I think we're about to go eat, but I'll see y'all when we go eat. Just got in the Airbnb. It's pretty nice. Let me give y'all a little tour. It's not too bad. Definitely check this dude out if y'all come to Charlotte. House so clean. Apartment, I'm sorry. It's definitely enough space for one man. All little family. So I'm about to charge my phone. a little bit and then catch up with Austin, Andy, and Shannon. I see y'all when we go eat.
That's all of it? Yes, sir. Okay.
No, let me go. I'll take a picture.
I must say the food was 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Y'all see this board right here? See, y'all think this is a kid's game. This is life. This is life. How many people play Monopoly before? My wife should raise her hand. She cheats all the time. Y'all see that? Y'all see y'all house. Just so you can see it. But he came up to me this morning out there in the hallway. I was full this morning, guys, because all this stuff has just been encouraging to me and inspiring. I'm looking at what Maxwell assembled in here. All of you, and a lot of you don't think you can do nothing. You can be all you were designed to be, people. But he came up to me this morning. He said, are you gonna wait right here? He said, can you wait right here for a minute? I have something for you. So he came back in the room and he gave me this. He came back and he brought me this letter. He said, "Dear Mr. Robinson, thank you for your free membership to your course. I really appreciate you giving me the chance to better myself free of charge. I I am very honored to have been granted this opportunity, and I promise you, you will never regret it.
How you get the one-time on?
Yeah, they gonna slide in the DM, but
Come on.
Hold on, let me post mine up.
hey! Why you use your tongue, man?
Yeah, you put it down.
Right.
Hold on. Stick your tongue out.
Pause.
You wasting food now.
I got plenty.
Y'all suck, yo.
You must be getting a discount.
1, 2. No.
It's all good, bro.
$2 million on a house that's worth $100,000. If they show that they actually want to sell and they're somewhat negotiable based on our conversations, then we get in the car and go to that house. If they're in foreclosure, we just go about 90% of the time. Because it's always good to get in front of them before they start getting a ton of letters from other people, because that's a very widely mailed list.
What I would do is, if you're not in a market where you got to sit 4 hours and go 10 miles, I would go to every one of them. You know, sellers are liars. They're going to tell you what they want over the phone. And so many times I go to a house, hey, I want 110. I'm not budging low to 110. And I walk away with a $50,000 contract. It just happens so often. So when you can explain to a seller why you have to offer 50, you know, go. And if you're new in this business, you should be going on any appointment anyways.
Yeah. If you're new, go to everything. Like I said, even knock on those doors.
To go through and show love to the house. I love this house. It's my favorite house of the week. Love on these people. Love on them. They need to love them. They done got all these other bad investors that are all calling. Hey, look, all y'all call on the same list, right? Y'all got a separate list? No, they're calling the same people. So you got.
What's going on? We at the Maxwell event. I got Madison here.
Man, follow this guy. This guy gives out some jewels for free. It is priceless, man. Y'all have to follow him on Instagram, YouTube, all of them. Go.
Appreciate that. Appreciate it.
Hey, you caught me at the end. I'm like, hey, man, I'm trying to get out of here and shit. Hey, but look, you, all y'all, all love. We appreciate it. Out of my heart. That was really the dopest shit y'all done the last couple of days. You have been involved, energetic, and showing us that y'all really care about us. That's the dopest thing in the world. And that's why we opened up the way we did. That's why you now know who the real Tony Robinson is, right? And then my pop too. Y'all see, millionaire status. All of Max, my father, me, millionaire status. Ain't nobody up here Googling. Big talk.
That's love.
About to go out. It's cold as hell out here. We're enjoying the Epic Center in Charlotte. Bro, it's cold as hell out here.
What's poppin'?
Is that it?
Stop bothering my music. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. So this is gonna be quick because I gotta pee. I was a little nervous, so I was drinking too much water and coffee. Coffee started making me sweat, then I started drinking the water.
I hope you guys got more than what you came for. And man, I just
Real quick, guys. Everybody stand up for me real quick. This guy deserves a huge round of applause for putting together a hell of an event. Max, good fucking job, baby. That's not loud enough. That is not loud enough. Let's go.
what's going on, guys. The conference is officially over. I can't lie to y'all right now. I am tired as shit. So I'll see y'all in a few minutes.